Hello friend, how to use SelectorsHub Patron Key? It's very simple and straightforward. Once you receive the Patron Key after becoming the patron, what you have to do, just open SelectorsHub and follow these steps, 2-3 steps, very simple. And one Patron Key will work in one system in all the browsers. So open SelectorsHub here, the key which you have received, just copy that key and paste it here and press enter. That's all you require to do. Now click on the toggle button, this one, as the instruction says here. I will add this blog link in the description so you can anytime refer that, and that's all you need to do. Now here you see that you would be able to access all the features and everything without any interruption. This is one time only required. Now whenever you will open SelectorsHub, it will you would be able to access all the features and everything. You need not to worry about anything. The only thing you will have to take care, whenever you uninstall SelectorsHub or install it again, or your patron key get expired, then you will have to enter that key again and press enter. That's all you will have to follow these steps. Again, the same key you can use in one system for all the browsers. Do not share your key with anyone because that's your personal unique key. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates on SelectorsHub, Test Case Studio, new innovation and new tools from me. And please like and share SelectorsHub with everyone, and keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much.